Welcome back, guys, to another video. We're just taking a look at Ethereum here, and as we can see, looking like we have just been chopping it upwards, basically sideways in a range for a good little while now over the past few weeks. Obviously with the FTX collapse here, we did come down and lose this key level of support here in and around that $1,250-ish level. Obviously getting stuck under that 0.23 Fibonacci level since then. You can see obviously we've got our fib pull from the high of the bull market down here to the low of the bear market, and you can see quite clearly these Fibonacci levels getting respected fairly well. You can see obviously we've formed a little bit of a range over those few weeks where we did see ourselves coming down below that $1,000 level, but obviously we can see $1,000 being a very key level of support for Ethereum here. And then as you can see, as we came back up, we've got resistance and support all the way up to the 0.50, where we did see ourselves getting up to around $2,000-ish, probably just a little bit over, maybe upwards towards $2,100. And then since then we have just been in a bit of a downtrend, haven't we, with lower lows and lower highs, as you can see. Obviously looking like we are in a bit of a bearish structure in general for the bear market overall, but looking like obviously with the FTX collapse here, Ethereum looking like it was holding support fairly well, maybe could have come back up above these levels here at 0.38, but realistically obviously we have rolled over, came down and made a new lower low, and then since then, as you can see here, we have designated a little bit of a range that we are chopping it up inside of for Ethereum, and until we see ourselves moving in either direction outside of this range with a breakout and a back test, we are just going to be range bound. We're pretty much at the dead center of the range right now. As you can see, we've got support, resistance, support, and then obviously we came up with Bitcoin and touched that resistance up here, where we did get a bit of a rejection over the past few days, come back down into the middle of the range. You can see we came down here, formed a nice little double bottom with the huge bullish divergence, getting a pickup off the low, and now we probably expect Ethereum to come back up towards the top of the range, in our opinion, at least up towards these levels here around $1,250-ish, getting a bit of a relief bounce off this, you would say unjustified bearish action here, with Bitcoin obviously leading the market down. We will see what happens next in general, but for now Ethereum, just like most cryptocurrencies, chopping sideways in a range, as you can see, and until we see ourselves breaking in either direction, we will be range bound. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.